Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last lesson we see the data. Now we are going to splitting the data to test and train. Okay, let me for now just delete these two lines. No, I don't delete it. Let me put it back. We go down. Splitting the data and train. One of the good comments for seeing what data is using data.head. Okay, I don't know what I opened. Data.head. Head. It gives us the first 5 of our data. Somebody like using it. I don't really like, but it's sometimes good. Then we split our data to test and train. We do it a lots of times, many times. I don't say anything about it. We are going to split the data in x, y test size. Okay, let's we split the data in 80 to 20. Now we are going to train more models for different neighbors from 1 to 30. Okay, some of you may ask, we don't know what training model for different neighbors, what does it mean? I say I don't know too. Let's go and copy the code, paste it here. This is the code. It says code 1. Let me see if we have two codes. Okay, it do some learning, some another learning too. Okay, in code 1, it says for I in range 1 to 15, model equal to k neighbors, model.fit, y pred equal to mod predict x test, error.append np. What is np? Dot mean. Okay, let's see and read the code line by line. It's the correct code. Let me copy it and try to write. See what is. At first, we don't know what this for do. We make the code out of the for. Okay, let's make it clean. Now it's a model equal to k neighbor classifier n neighbors I. For I we put 1, model.fit. It's we some kind of from our last project we know what does it mean. It's like the things that we have here. Let me show you. Project. No, here not. Regression project. Wait a little for it to be open. This is some kind of this line of code. Let's go there. Let me paste it here. They are very similar, as you can see. Okay, now next what we do, we run a code for the first time to see what happened. Let's run it. It gives us a mean. What .np.mean means? We don't know. What should we do? Now we run the model, but we don't know how to find the model is good or not. In the next lesson, we were going to see this and do some kind of trick to learn this code perfectly. Have a good time.